welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we're going to see how you can contact Cisco support. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is log into your Cisco account, for which you can open any kind of browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So after opening your browser, you can go to the search bar and start typing cisco.com. After you have typed that, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Cisco. Here you can see this is the official website of Cisco, and in here you can see I am already logged in because I have logged in my account before. If you are not logged in, make sure that you are logged into your account. So after making sure that you are logged in, the next thing that you're going to do is click on this option, how to buy. So after clicking on this option here, you can see this will take you to this page where you have to click on Contact Cisco. So after clicking on it, we're going to get to this particular page. Now in here, you have to add in all of your information. Here you can see on the basis of my account information, it is automatically added. So if you want to change any of these information, you can click on those arrows like this and change it from here. So after you've done that, the next thing that you're going to do is fill in your first name. Here you can see by default I'm already filled in, so if you're not filled in, you have to add in your first name, last name, your email address, then select your country and then add in your phone number in here. And if you are from a company, you have to add in your company name. If not, you can see it is self, so there's no requirement of company. So in here you can see the next thing is company size. You can click on this arrow right here and select the size of your company. After doing so, here you can see the next thing is job title. So you have to add in your job title if you want. And here you can see the next thing is when would you like to receive a call. So if you want to receive a call from Cisco within 15 minutes, you can see it is currently selected. But if you want a specific date and time, you can click on this option right here and choose specific date and time for Cisco to call you. So after you've done that, the next thing is to add in your topic. So you can click on this arrow and select the topic of your desire. Lastly, here you can see you can add in your comments or anything additional information if you want. And after filling all of these, the last and final thing is to just click on request a call. So if you want Cisco to send you mail about the offers, promotions, and the latest news regarding Cisco products or services, you can click on this box right here like this and select this one. And now your Cisco will send you mail about their offers, promotions, and anything new that they have. So finally, you can click on this I am not a robot option in order to verify, and then click on request a call. So after clicking on request a call, if you have selected specific date or time, Cisco will contact you in that time. But if you have selected within 15 minutes, Cisco will contact you within 15 minutes. And yeah, that is it. And that is how you can contact Cisco support. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.